Okay, class 12. Today we will continue exercise 7.3, question number 10. So we will start from question number 10. So exercise 7.3, question number 10. So question number 10 is sine to the power 4x. So we have to integrate this. First, make it into standard form by using trigonometric identities. So this equals to sine square x whole square equals to sine square x means 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 whole square. Formula of sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So this equals to, now square of 2 is 4, so it is 1 by 4. Again 1 minus cos 2x whole square. So this equals to 1 minus 4. Now what is the formula of a minus b whole square? Formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square is cos square 2x minus 2ab. 2 into 1 into cos 2x. A square plus b square minus 2ab. It is the formula of a minus b whole square. Now 1 by 4, 1 square is 1 plus, what is the formula of cos square x? Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. It is the formula of cos square x. So it is 1 plus cos 2 into, what is the value of x? It is 2x divided by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. So this equals to 1 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 2. 1. This is 1. We can separate this. 1 by 2 plus again 1 by 2 cos 2 into 2 is 4x minus 2 cos 2x. So 1 by 4, this is 1 plus 1 by 2 is, it is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x. Now we can integrate. Therefore, integration of sine to the power 4x dx equals to, we can take outside 1 by 4. Integration, it is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x dx. Now what is the integration of 3 by 2? 3 by 2 dx. So integration of sine to the power 4x dx, it is 1 by 4 is there. Now integrate individually 3 by 2 dx, it is 3 by 2x. So 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 1 by 2, what is the integration of cos x? It is sin x. It is sin 4x by 4 minus 2 sin 2x by 2 plus c. So we can cut 2 here. So this equals to 1 by 4. Now we can multiply. It is 3 by 8 x plus 4 4 16, 16 to 32, 1 by 32 sin 4x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Now it is the answer of question number 10. Now move to question number 11. Is cos to the power 4x. Cos to the power 4x. First we have to make it into standard form by using trigonometric identities. So it is cos square x whole square. Now what is the formula of cos square x? cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So it is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 whole square. This equals to 1 plus cos 2x, it is whole square. Now what is the square of 2? It is 4, so it is 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4. Now a plus b whole square is a square plus b square cos square 2x plus 2 into 1 into cos 2x. A square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. So this equals to 1 by 4. 1 square is 1. Now again we have to apply the formula cos square x. So what is cos square x? Same formula, 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x. 2x is 2x divided by 2 plus 2 cos x. This equals to 1 by 4. 1 plus, now we will separate this, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 into 2 is 4x plus 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. Now this equals to 1 by 4. Now 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 2 cos 2x. Now we can integrate. Integration of cos to the power 4x dx equals to 1 by 4. We can take outside 1 by 4. Integration of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 2 cos 2x dx. So this equals to 1 by 4. What is the integration of 3 by 2 dx is 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2 integration of cos x is sin x, but it is 4 here, so sin 4x by 4 plus 2 sin 2x by 2 plus c. We can cut these two. Now multiply. Integration of cos to the power 4x dx equals to, if you multiply 1 by 4 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 8x plus 4 into 4 is 16, 16 to 32, 1 by 32 sin 4x plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 11. Now move to question number 12. Okay, question number 12 is sin square x by 1 plus cos x. So first simplify it. What is the formula of sin square x? We know that sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x. Now dividing by 2. So it is sin x. Sin x equals to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So formula of sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole square. So in denominator, what is the formula of 1 plus cos x? It is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. Now square of 2 is 4. Square of sin x by 2 is sin square x by 2. Square of cos x by 2 is cos square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. So we can cut 2 into 2, 4. 2 1 2, 2 into 2. Cos square x, cos square x. So this equals to 2 sin square x by 2. So we know that 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. So we can apply this formula, or 2 sin square x by 2 is 1 minus cos x. It is 1 minus cos x. So therefore integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx equals to integration of 1 minus cos x dx. So this equals to integration of dx minus integration of cos x dx. So what is the integration of dx? It is x minus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. This is the answer of question number 12. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.